Hi, welcome to Matinedit's educational series where I teach you about the high quality fabrics and the materials that we use to create our shawls. So a lot of people who are not really familiar with feather trims, they've been asking me, what is it? What is the difference between marabou and ostrich feather and the different trims that you offer? So I decided what my content strategy is going to be is to educate you guys on the current trends, why I'm using it, and leave it up to you guys to want to purchase and pick what it is that you like. I think educating and informing our buyers and our clientele is a great strategy because I'm not really here to sell you the products. I think the products really speak for itself. If it's something that you really connect with, that's when I think that we're a good fit for each other. So I'm a little bit about the different sizes of the trims that we were deciding to use, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the actual product. So this is the 50-gram marabou fur in mauve. This is a color, this is gorgeous. So I'm going to be offering this color in our nude or like light mauve shawl in our next collection. And I just wanted to compare the different size trims and what they look like. So this is 22 grams and then this is 50 grams. And the 50 grams is significantly more expensive. So you will see a huge price difference between the 22 gram and the 50 gram shawl due to the size of the trim. I really do love the 50 gram. I feel like it pops. It really gives it that statement and that bold look you look for in a shawl. But if 50 gram is too much for you and you feel overwhelmed, I would go with the 22 gram. But they are both gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like on the shawls itself. So this is the 22 gram on our very popular wool shawl that is loomed in Ecuador, and that's why it gives it this beautiful shine. It is made out of wool, and I just love this 22 gram trim on this shawl. People love this color. This color is like a blush, and then we made it pop with the shrimp mauve. I think this is so soft, very bold statement piece, and it keeps you warm. So yeah, this piece that I have on right now, this is in 50 gram marabou on our silk shawl. This is a fan favorite. Everyone is obsessed with it. It is the perfect accessory to wear over any outfit to kind of give it that bold statement, whimsical feature. And I love the 50 gram. I feel like it definitely looks more bold than the 22 gram. It gives it that, I don't know, the statement look that I can't really come across. I always see the 22 gram or like even the skinnier marabou furs on other clothing materials such as like pants, shirts, or dresses, but I rarely see the 50 gram, and I feel like it gives lux, it gives aura, and I'm obsessed with it. So this is a quick comparison side by side. I'm going to zoom in to show you guys. This is the 22 gram marabou fur and this is the 50 gram marabou fur, the two different sizes that I'm going to be offering on the website and for my launches. So you know what it is that you're purchasing and what you want and what kind of vibe that you want to go for.